one another. We're grateful for the opportunity that we have to be able to take these courses online and to further our educations. And we're grateful that we're able to share with one another. Please help us to retain the information that we're going to be needing to do well on our quizzes and our exams. Please bless those that aren't here tonight, that they'll make it safely later. And we say these things in the name of Jesus Christ, amen.
Amen. Hey, Maria.
Hey, what happens? Hey.
Well, I caught you when you started the prayer, so.
Good, okay.
All right, let's tackle this thing.
Yeah, let's get it
All
out
right.
of here.
Yeah, I was thinking, I kept waiting to hear something pop that I had a new little thing or something, and I'm like, okay, we should hear something by now. Let me go look. It's funny.
Being quiet tonight.
Work on the quiz.
Okay, so I guess we're using two
Made it to.
plots. Do that. Okay. There we go. Oh, got it. I guess we probably ought to read the question first so I know which order to put these stupid things in.
Yeah. All right, do we all have it open?
I got it. Yep. Ready to go. All right. Let's see. Question 3. The true linear regression equation is y equals BO. I'll do it right. B naught plus B1 x, where B naught and B1 are unknown. What is the null and alternative hypothesis? I put down HO B1 equals 0 and HA B1 is not equal to 0.
Yep. Me too.
Oh my God. Okay.
All right. And number 4, a residual is the difference between the observed value y and the value predicted by the regression line.
That's what I got.
Yep. Okay, a plot of residuals supports using linear regression when let's see. I don't remember. Which one is it?
I went with the top answer.
Yeah, I was going to say.
Residual looks normally distributed because it's
That's what I was
residual
thinking.
can be positive and negative.
Mm-hmm.
And it shouldn't be in a megaphone shape.
It's supposed to be a hot dog shape, isn't it?
Well, that's when you're looking at the one graph, but you're looking at the residuals.
Oh, right.
And then the residuals, I know they can go back and forth, you know, positive, negative. And it's not like you really see a pattern, because if you see a pattern, then that's a whole different, it's not linear if you see a pattern. That just left the top one, and that's what I figured.
That's kind of what
that's what it is. There's no megaphone shape in the residuals. So that one's definitely wrong. Okay. All right, cool. Yeah, I think you're right. Cool.
The first one?
Yep.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, that's what I have.
Sorry.
Hey there. Hi, Aaron.
Hey.
Zach.
We're up to question 6.
Alrighty.
And it tells us that, like, the score variable as the response variable. So this is one of these that is kind of backwards.
Are we back to the residual plot again? Are we on?
We're up to
number 8.
We're up to number 6. Yeah.
And let's see it. So it wants
to use that math self-efficiency.
Yeah. Is this the one where I put it in wrong last time and probably put it in wrong? Score goes first and confidence rating goes second.
Yes.
It says explanatory.
No, other
Or,
way around.
yeah, no, the other way around.
Yeah.
It's because it says, yeah, score's your response or why.
Explanatory. The score is the variable.
Yeah.
That's right.
Little backwards. Or you just got to insert a column and move the other ones over, and then
Well, if
you can copy and paste.
confidence is the explanatory,
Right.
okay, and then the score is the variable. Okay, so I need to
Right.
reverse this.
Yeah.
Get answers wrong. There we go. Try that again.
You got to do a copy twice.
Yeah.
I don't know why they don't make them where they're lined up how you would expect, so you could just copy and paste.
See if we're paying attention, I guess.
Probably.
If they can miss all 5 of them on the question, on the quiz. Okay. All right, now I have it in right. Sorry, guys. Okay. Compute the residual for the data using software. What statement best describes the residuals? Okay,
So
well,
this-
let's see. It forms a linear pattern, not a very good one, but it does form one.
That's what I picked.
Yeah.
Yeah.
As I was kind of torn between the residuals are between -40 and 25, or they form a linear pattern. And
Yeah, I was
I kind of lean
looking.
towards that.
Yeah, I don't see any between -40 and 25, but I think it matters more that it's in a linear pattern.
I do too.
Roughly, yeah.
Looks like
Okay.
it's got tails on the end, but for the most part, it looks kind of linear.
Yeah.
Well, good news is we can choose the other one if it's wrong.
That's
Exactly.
True enough.
At least we get 2 shots at this. I wish we had 2 shots on the test.
Yeah, seriously.
All right, QQ plot.
I thought they looked fairly normal.
I think they look fairly normal.
Yeah.
I agree. Okay.
All
All
right,
right, so
use,
fairly normal.
yep, use software to create a scatter plot of the data. Given the scatter plot, residuals plot, and the QQ plot, which of the 5 assumptions about linear regression are satisfied for this data? Click all that apply.
All right, so
We need to do a
the first one, there is a linear relationship between X and Y. So make a scatter plot. So that's taken care of by a scatter plot. And then number 2, the error term is normally distributed. QQ plot of the residuals. So that one's taken care of. The error term. Oh, is that on our list? Oh, that's the
Yes.
second one, huh?
The variance
Of the error term.
terms is consistent for all values of x.
And the variance of the error term is constant for all values of
Sorry.
x is a residual plot.
Okay, so I created the scatter plot. I don't see a residual plot. Oh, that's the one that goes straight across. Okay. The zero line, up and down, up and down, up and down, up and down. And then a QQ plot. That all can be done on the sheet we're using.
So is it just the first 3?
Let's see.
There's a linear relationship between x and y. The variance of error is constant for all values, and the residual normally distributed. I got the top three.
That's what I have right now.
Because the other two can't be checked with those things, right?
Right.
No, you can't at all.
So then it's just the top three?
That's what I'm going with.
That's what we're all agreeing on, yeah.
Alright, cool. What is B1? The estimate of the slope.
Is that 0.042?
12.695.
Yeah.
Yeah, I got 12.695 as well.
I think you got yours backwards.
Oh, yeah. You're right. Okay. I hate
And
this.
It's
Sorry.
got it'll say right under the model where it's got y-intercept and slope, and next to slope says B1. And
Yeah.
then you'll see the B right there.
I've been training my brain wrong this entire new unit.
Now construct a 95% confidence interval for B1. Input your answers for the lower bound and upper bound.
10.674 for the lower.
Right.
10.715 for the upper.
Sorry, what did you get for the lower?
I got 10.674 for the lower and 14.715 for the upper because we
Okay.
use the y-intercept.
Right.
Yeah, I got that too. You said 14.715?
Right.
14.715.
That's what I got too. Alright, I got distracted for a second.
Uh-huh.
What was number 9 again for the B1 estimate for the slope?
12.95.
12.695.
0.695.
Okay. Then we're on
Number
12,
12.
right?
Yep.
Okay, based on the evidence and using the level of significance 0.05, what decision would you make regarding the hypothesis test for B1? And let me see what I got here.
Well, P is low.
Yeah, so we're rejecting.
Right. Because
Let's see.
there's only one answer there.
Yeah, because p-value is less than our alpha.
Yeah.
Yeah. Alright, cool. 13 for a hypothesis test for B1 slope. If you reject the null hypothesis, what does it mean?
I would say the last one. There's sufficient evidence to conclude that the slope of the regression line is not 0.
Yep, because you're saying, yep.
Yep.
Yeah,
I'd
yep,
agree.
that's what you're saying. You're saying.
We agree.
Oh, goodness, I'm tired. All right.
This semester's almost over.
I know. Hallelujah.
Okay, the crocodile. Okay, so which one is the dependent? Let's see.
Well, head is usually...
It's head length, wouldn't it be?
Head length was used to predict body length, so it would have to be the head length.
Yep.
Right.
You got a big head, you're going to have a big body.
That's right.
So we're going to put it in that way. Just like it's printed this time.
Which means this is the one we like.
It's a lot easier.
Margin of error. Oh, I love margin of errors.
Or did we say head length was the dependent?
Yes, we did.
Right.
All right, sweet.
our margin of error this time.
Wrong.
Is that the 10.801?
The 8.103 minus 7.218 divided by 2. 0.4425, so.
Yep.
0.443.
0.442, right?
I have 443 because it's 0.4425.
It is a. Why am I always off by like 100th of a decimal?
So
I don't know. Do you have your
tell
calculator?
me what you did one more time. You just took the difference of the confidence intervals?
I subtracted the lower from the upper and divided by 2.
That's right.
And I did that on the homework and got it right. So I'm assuming I'm doing that right. But, you know, last time I told you guys that, I got it wrong. So you think I'm wrong, please.
So wait, are you doing 8.103 minus 7.218?
Yes.
Yeah, because I have that exactly written down. Because remember last time I said I couldn't remember the formula for margin error. You said lower divided or lower minus the upper.
Upper minus the lower.
Sorry, upper minus lower. Yeah, it's written down right here.
And then divided by
Divide
2.
by 2.
Why am I? So I'm still getting 0.442. Why am I getting a different one?
Well, I got 0.442, but my calculator just took it out 2 more to 50.
Oh, because mine's 0.4424.
Is it? And mine's 4425.
Why?
Let me do
Because everything is different.
it. Let me
It's only a fraction of a fraction
Well-
I know,
of
but this is like 2 weeks in a row that this has happened to us.
Yes, it'll do it every time. Let me just do it again.
What
I
if
got it again.
Oh, I see what it is.
0.442435492?
So
If I do the cells, if I do plus the one cell minus the other cell in a whatever you call those bracket type things, divided by 2, it's 0.4424. So it's really 0.443.
So yeah, I see what happened. It's a
If we
it's
do
a matter
that,
of
which is what
rounding.
you kind of said.
Yeah, it's a rounding
Is
thing.
yours rounded?
Since we're using the actual cells, there's other numbers that it's calculating than if you just did 8.103 minus 7.218.
Right.
So,
Oh yeah, you're using Excel, aren't you?
Yeah, so since we're using the numbers
Okay.
in Excel, there's other decimal points that it's taking in consideration, which is what which is good. So, I think I remember the teacher saying though that there's a 0.001 leniency in these things.
That'll be good.
But anyways, so we can put 0.442 or 0.443, whatever one you want, and hopefully they'll both be fine.
Yeah.
Okay, and put the lower bound. 7.218.
Yep.
Yep.
Upper bound, 8.103.
Yep.
Alright, sweet. Whoa, last question already. I like to see that.
Yeah. I think it's the top one.
I do too. Because the second one has the word chance in it,
Yep.
and the third one has nothing to do with
Right.
our bound. So
Alright.
All right.
Sweet.
Let's submit.
let's see if we missed the margin of error again. Sorry, guys. You don't listen to me anymore.
Oh,
But we missed one.
14.
We did?
Dependent variables,
Which one?
body length.
It's the body length. Oh, shoot. No, it's the head length. I had body length. I got it wrong.
What?
Mine is, I accidentally marked body length and I got it wrong. Oh, no, I did do body length. I got it right.
Yeah, I was like, you had to have gotten it right because I got head length and that was wrong.
Which one did I get wrong? I got one wrong.
You know what? Number 6 is wrong.
Number 6 is wrong.
Yeah. It's not the residuals form a linear pattern.
Yep, it is certainly not, is it?
So 14 is body length
Body
Yep.
or
length.
head length?
Body length.
Body length.
I accidentally marked body length and I got it right, so sorry, guys. Everybody was saying head and I marked
No, no, I'm glad you did because now we know. You know,
Well, there's
well,
only
I
two
guess we would have known anyway, but
two choices. Okay, let's do this again. Let's see.
Oh,
Okay, so it's got to be the residuals are between 40 and 25 because they're not all negative.
right, that's for sure.
All right, cool. Then we know all the answers. Wonderful.
Now we have to go through and do it all again.
was it head or was it body?
Body.
Body.
That's down at like 14. Somewhere I'm getting a short in my.
I hate that you have to do this over again and go back through and answer everything again.
Yep.
Oh,
Do.
Yeah, I had an
Mine says
accounting
it-
class that for quizzes like this that you had more than one try. They used a different program, and
Yeah.
it would just keep it filled out, and it would just let you change the ones that you got wrong, and that was super nice. But you had to pay like $100 extra a
Really?
semester,
Wow.
and I would rather
Oh, wow.
fill everything out and not pay $100.
Yeah, no kidding.
Well, I had a class before that if you get more than one chances on a quiz, the answers are or the questions are different on the second
Yeah,
go.
they'll mix it up again.
Hate that.
Yeah.
That's what mine last semester was like.
Oh, I hate when they have to redo it like that. Mine says, "Oh yeah, you can't resubmit because you're already submitted." I'm like, wait.
Did you guys all get credit for the collect and present the data?
I have credit.
I didn't, so I guess I'll be sending her an email.
Oh,
I didn't either.
Yeah.
really? Yeah, I got it.
Yep.
We got
Collecting.
100%.
We
Yeah,
did.
I saw that we got 100%, but on my contents, they've got a bright red box that says I'm missing it, and I
Yeah.
went into my assignments, it's not there. So
Wait, if you go into your grades, is it there under your grades?
Yeah.
Down under final project, I have it under my grades.
Because it says I didn't submit like the design and the study in the actual forms, but my grades has it entered in.
yeah, it's there. Collect and describe the data is there under that one. It's just not there under the assignments. That's weird. Okay.
Yeah, that's just because since only one person turned it in.
Yeah.
So sweet, woohoo!
Oh, very good, guys. Good luck on your homework. It's really a lot easier this time. I already did it.
Oh, great!
Oh.
I
You
like to
did
do
the
that.
homework quiz?
I did the homework before I was waiting tonight to see if I really understood it.
Awesome.
Yeah.
All right.
There you go. Guys, have
And
a
then
good
you'll
night.
go.
Yeah.
Then you'll take
definitely.
the quiz, and it'll be something totally different.
Oh yeah, that unit exam will have nothing to do with what we learned, I swear.
I know half of it's old stuff.
It feels like it's geared
Anyways.
just to try and deceive you.
That was week 13, right?
Yeah.
Mine
Was that?
Well, mine showed like I had already, but mine shows 100% on the quiz. I'm like, okay.
Awesome. I don't know how you did that, but awesome.
Well, because I hadn't quite finished hitting the submit, so I was like, well, let me try and figure out how to go back and click on the questions, and then I fixed I know I fixed one, and the other one I can't remember if I had it right or wrong initially, and then when I went to submit, it said you already submitted. I'm like, I already submitted. So I'm like, oh, let me go back and figure out what happened. I don't know.
Oh.
I don't know.
All right, awesome. Well, I am gonna head off then.
Alrighty.
All right, you guys,
Sounds
have a
good.
great night.
Well,
Thanks.
Talk to you. Do we meet Thursday?
Yep, Thursday at 8:30.
Yeah.
Okay. Sounds good.
See you then.
Bye, guys.
All right,
Bye.
see you guys. Bye.